Good morning, one and all. In today's lecture, we have to discuss the another concept of the steady state stability, that is two machine system with losses condition. In the previous lecture, we had discussed the two machine system with a negligible losses condition. Okay, so when we have to discuss the two machine system with the losses condition, here we have to concentrate on the basic concept of that. Uh, the power which are transferred from the sending end and the power which are receiving at a which are getting at a receiving end, it should be the different way. So that is that is the effect of the losses which are generally between because of the transmission or the T and DA losses between the two machine system. So to discuss this concept of the two machine system with the losses, here we have to consider that the theory of that this steady state stability of that two machine system with losses is generally with the resistance is generally complicated by considering the following two facts. Number one, the maximum power at the sending end exceeds the maximum power at the receiving end, and which are occur at a different angular separation of that two machine. Means what? The maximum power at the sending end it should be the more as compared to the maximum power we are getting at the receiving at a मैक्सिमम पावर एट अ रिसीविंग एंड. ओके, सो जो पावर अपने को मिल रहा है रिसीविंग एंड पे इट शुड बी द लेस एज कंपेयर टू द सेंडिंग एंड. ओके, and which are generally occur at a different load angle or the power angle of that two machine system. Number two concept, fact that the maximum stable angle depend upon means what? Maximum load angle, stable angle generally depend upon the relative inertias of the two machines, that is the machine one sending end generator side and the machine 2 for the receiving end side, which are generally depend upon the governor action also and the relative inertia of that two machines. Okay, so let us consider this concept of that power angle curve of that two machine. Here we are to consider while discussing the two machine system with the losses parameter that which is nothing but here we are to consider the one of the network of the two machine system which are include the resistance in that machine which can be reduced to the equivalent pipe connecting network of that machine at a neutral point. Okay, so here we have to consider the one of the two machine system, that is nothing but the generator, that is a two machine system are there, that is nothing but which are generally connected between the resistance plus positive resistance plus uh, reactance is there. Okay, so thus it consists of the positive resistance and the inductive reactance having the theta 1 2 is nothing but a less than 90 degree, and the theta 2 1 that is nothing but a del for the maximum power sent occur at a theta 1 2 कितना है less than 90 degree. Theta 1 2 is nothing but less than 90 degree, and the maximum power which has generally occurred at a cent कर रहा है at the del is equal to greater than 90 degree, means del than 90 degree क्या हो रहा है for the P1 sending end, और P2 कितना है maximum power sending receiving end is always less than 90 for the P1 and this is for the P2. Okay, so let us consider the this diagram in detail just by considering this one. Okay, so let us by zooming this diagram we are to able to understand that at a P, that is G1 and the 2, that is two machine system are generally used with the resistance and the inductive reactance are generally connected between them, where the P1 is nothing but the sending end power and the P2 is nothing but the receiving end power. The P1 is nothing but injecting the power to the transmission line, and the P2 is nothing but this is getting the power from that transmission line. That's why there is nothing but the I1 current is there, I1, and it's a but the direction should is towards the transmission line, it's a but the away, that is a but the negative direction is there. Okay, so having the that P1 are generally operated at a theta dial should be the more than 90, so the load angle of the power maximum power which are get sending from that generator to the receiving end is more than 90 degree. Just we have to observe is nothing but a del m1 is nothing but the machine m1, ये machine 1 का पावर है, लोड एंगल है, ये मशीन 2 का है. ओके, सो द मशीन 1 लोड एंगल इज ऑलवेज मोर देन कितना है ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री पे है, एंड फॉर द दैट इज बट द पावर फ्लो डायग्राम ऑफ दैट मशीन दैट इज P1 और द 1 के लिए. That is for the 1, and this is for the 2. We are studying, but the maximum power we are getting from the receiving end for the with respect to the send receiving end is studying, but the less than 90 degree. So the del m2 is always less than 90 degree. Just we observed from the diagram, and the del is always greater than 90 degree. Okay, and the maximum power which are getting is studying, but the maximum at the del should be the 90 from the P1. Means for sending end power is always greater than isn't it, but the receiving end power when there is a but the positive resistance are there with through the series resistance and the inductive reactance by connecting at a equivalent pi network. Okay, so this is the but the power flow diagram angle curve of the two machine system, and this is the but the equivalent power should be flow from the that is P I square R is equal to P1 plus P2. Okay, so the system should be the stable one when the del 1 is that equal to more or less up to the 90 degree, and that is machine यहाँ पे sending it, this is receiving end power is always less than sending end power. So this you have to we are able to clearly observe from this above power angle curve diagram. So let us consider the next step that is totally opposite to this concerned case. Here we use the positive resistance case. Now just consider this that about a negative resistance case. अब negative resistance case में क्या होने वाला है that impedance has the negative resistance. Means what? It's not but there is a shunt resistance should be the connected as shown in the figure. To that we have to will discussing that. Whereas when the T circuit, that is T circuit, should be converted into the pi circuit. So thus Jx is equal to the Jx is not but the Jx multiplied by Jx upon R is equal to minus of x x square upon R. Minus sign का क्या? J square कितना हो जाएगा? Is equal to -1. Okay, that's just minus x square upon R plus twice of 2x. So this is nothing but the total impedance of that transmission line when we have to consider the negative resistance circuit is there. Okay, so thus the real part is should be the negative one. Thus with the negative resistance and the inductive reactance, the phi 12 should be the lies between the 90 degree and the 180 degree consecutively. Thus the phi 12 that is a repeated this phi 12 should be lies between the 90 degree and the 180 degree. So ये जो भी 512 ये कितने में लाइज हो रहा है? Below the up to the 90, ये जो भी है थीटा, it should be lies between the 90 to the 180 degree. And this diagram is totally opposite to the previous one where he is not, but the shunt resistance should be the connected. Maximum power which are occur at a del less than 90 degree, and the maximum receive power should be greater than 90 degree. Thus the power angle curve for this case is shown in the figure, whereas this is nothing but the power case and this is nothing but the del load angle case is there. Maximum power transfer and this is nothing but the load angle. अब power maximum power कहाँ पे मिलने वाला है? When the del should be maximum sent power. अब sent power कहाँ पे मिल रहा है? That sending end power is always the maximum sending end power we are always getting when the del theta 1 is always greater less than 90 degree, and this is nothing but the P1 case is there. Okay, and this is nothing but the P2 case. P2 case में del 1 to कितना है? This is all greater than 90 degree. Okay, so here the equivalent circuit क्या बता रहा था? That machine 1 and the machine 2, the resistance should be the divided into reactor should be divided into the two parts, and the resistance should be connected between the center tap. Means what is the but the अपन क्या कर रहे हैं? Pi network बना रहे हैं. T network should be converted into the pi network, and the sending it is totally opposite to that. So that resistance should be nothing but a negative case is there. So here the shunt load is always equal to the P1 plus P2, and here is totally opposite. The maximum power should be the lies between the 90 degree and the 180 degree consecutively. Okay, so this is the case for the two machine system with the losses conditions are there with the positive resistance and the negative resistance, where it should be lies between the 90 to the and the 180 degree. Okay, so this is the thank you so much. In next lecture we will discuss the another concept of that steady state stability.